There's more of them. Even more than I thought. But that one scares me.
Now what do we have here?
He worked alongside Foxy, but now he does his own thing. They call him the Blacktail.
I have witnessed it all. Over and over again.
Shut up!
You are finished.
You lied to me!
You will die for what he